So what's going on today?
I took all the bolts out of the floor, but I need help here.
Okay, so
Just lift it up, Peter, and slide it this way so I can get it over. That's it. Okay. I gotta see what kind of surprise is under there. Wait a minute.
what's that?
Somebody must have been sanding.
Okay, and just left that in for spacing, or?
Yeah, I guess so.
Okay.
So anyway, I'm gonna go to the other side. Now you'll notice on the shifter, there's that much room.
Yeah.
Okay, they put a 3/8 bolt in a 5/8 hole, so you have that much room before you even
Okay.
tighten anything up.
Now, is that standard Bombardier practice, or is that a backyard repaired? Because that's the bolt you have.
This has got to be some other nationality that I'm not experienced with.
Okay.
And then this guy must have been a carpenter,
Okay.
because instead of using angle iron, he used 2x4s.
Okay.
And then when he was filling in the back there on the floor,
Yeah.
he must have been short of space,
Okay.
because there is no floor there.
Wow, look at that.
So I'm gonna cut
So-
this whole damn thing out.
We're gonna go down here so we can take a look at what Dad's talking about. And yeah, you can see right underneath here. We don't have a light, but okay, now it's brightening up in the video.
Okay, now on the right hand side of the transmission back this way, you see that
That cut.
line going down there?
Yeah.
On the transmission,
Oh, the line on the transmission. Okay.
you'll see a new hose on there,
Okay.
or you see it. Put your finger down.
Is this it
No,
here?
no. See the line?
This one?
Hey, line. That's electrical. See the line?
This one?
No.
This one?
That's it.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, there's no hose on that vacuum.
Okay.
And that's the governor for the transmission for shifting.
Okay.
Fix that. I tightened all the spark plugs on, so they're all done now.
Okay.
And next,
So that's fixed now.
that's all fixed. So
Okay.
the next thing now is cut the floor out, and then watch what you step on there.
Yeah.
And then get a rotor made so I can put a brake in here.
Okay.
So first I'm going to cut the floor out.
So big surprises with Dad opening up the floor and the floor back
Now,
here.
Go around to the back.
Okay. We'll go around to the back.
I took all this crap off so that I can fix the doors properly.
Okay. Okay, so the back door's off.
Now I have to put new hoses on from the transmission to the cooler. And this thing is not cooling anything.
So that's the transmission cooler right now,
Yeah,
but this is the one we need, right?
this is the new cooler.
Okay.
And it has to be mounted up here so the cold air comes in, you cool right away.
Okay.
There's very little
Going down there.
air going down there.
So are you going to remove this then, or?
Yeah, I'm gonna
Okay.
file it, eh?
Okay. What's the condition of the radiator? Is it
Well, I can see through it, so it's not plugged.
okay?
And I don't know, I'll top it off, see if it holds water, but this has to be taken off and filed into the garbage can.
Okay. Any other big surprises today?
No, these doors all work.
Okay.
Oh, I put a new
Battery box there?
brass end on
Okay.
there because they don't stand up. I cleaned the carburetor.
What did it look like?
Well, it was full of dirt, but I got to give it another go over with carb clean running.
Okay. Okay, so you started on this. Obviously, you finally decided that enough was enough and just get into it and start it.
Yeah.
Is this what you expected, or did you?
Well, when I look close,
Yeah.
I can see what to expect.
Okay.
Anyway, I'm gonna probably put a new heater in here too, because
Okay.
if you go to the other side, you'll see it. I mean, this is taken out of an old vehicle or a combine or something.
Okay.
And I take all that shit out and put a real heater in here.
Okay. Okay.
I found a windshield wiper hole. They put some what's that silver paper that comes
Teflon
in?
tape?
No, that silver paper comes in a roll. You roast the chicken or something in.
Oh, aluminum foil.
Aluminum foil over top of the hole and body putty. So
Oh, okay.
it's gonna be easy to
Poke it out.
poke it out and.
The joys of owning a Bombardier that you didn't do a proper walkthrough on. Can't stress this enough, guys. Now, Dad doesn't leave the shop to go fix somebody else's stuff out in the field, but you can hire him to drive down the highway to give you his honest opinion on what something will cost
And what it's worth.
and what it's worth and what it's going to cost to repair. So anybody that wants to go out and spend $25,000, $35,000, you might be able to save yourself some time and effort and headache by hiring Dad for a day, plus gas and expenses to go down the road and take a look at some of this equipment, because he'll be honest about what's going on.
This guy put a new door catch in, but the
Yeah.
cheapest one he could get.
Yeah.
And then he runs some screws in there. And I'm sure he realized that there was nothing in behind.
Mm-hmm.
But he let her go at that anyway.
Yeah. So,
Jesus Christ.
is it depressing?
It's worse than depressing.